Bangkok, eng Millionenstaat mat absolutem Exotikfaktor. Für viel Reisender as de Stopover, do wo en a Südostasien ukënnt, eier weiter op eng Insel flit. Für mech perélech ass Bangkok oft Top-Destination. Et ass Haiwuch hifleien, wann ech e Tapetewirsel vun doheem brauch, wann ich min Geschmacksnerven iwwerrasche wëll, a wo ich hikommen fir neii Inspirationen ze sammeln. Et ass még 9. Keier an dëser Asienmetropol, an dës Keier hoelne jier schmat fir authentisch Experienzen ze sammeln. Még Bangkok-Aventure wieren net komplett oni op de Markt ze goen. Neierens vun dei soviel Inspirationen, et ass hart, warm, et gët vun allméiglesche Gerëcher an obskure Sache begréist, e farwegen Dujaneen un interessanten Inspirationen. Haut gehtet op de Khlong Toei Market, e riesesche Bangkok-Markt, wo en och alterem liichten Iwerblick verléiert. Du ass et gut, wann e vun engem Insider mat geholget. De Luke Farrell as e Kolleg aus England, den half zu Bangkok lieft fir Hai-Ingredioen fir sei Business ze sichern.
Also wann sech mat de Sachen op dese Markt auskennt, dann ass et de Luke. Hier schreibt gerade Buch iwwer Issen an Thailand. An hier hat Kari immer so eng Person, die alles isst. Mat dem Prinzip wat méi komisch wat besser.
De Luke as eng Person, die vu Wissen nëmme sprudelt, an op all Stand huet hi ma Appes ze weisen.
So there's a pork knife, sometime knife, coconut knife, and this one here, this is a regular one for cooking that they use, or making lap and things like that. It has quite a Thai shape, don't you think?
Als gelehrte Koch huet de Luke eng Zeit zu London e vietnameseschen Banh Mi Sandwich Shop gefauert. Demols huet hier gemerkt, wie schwéiere das an England frisch asiatisch Ingredienten zu kreen.
So this one is like a jungle curry kit. So you can make a jungle curry out of this, or you can make a drunkard stir fry out of this.
I love
which is when you're really, really drunk. It's going to wake you up, sober you up. Super spicy, super hot. This as well is a little kit for making.
It's a bouquet.
For making Thai soup, Tom Yum.
Love it.
Everything you need to make your Tom Yum is there. They prepare it for you, right? This is fast food, Thai style.
Unzufrieden mat dem Schwa u frischen asiatische Produien doheem, huet de Luke desideiert, sech an een andere Business ze lancéieren, selber asiatisch Pflanzen ze ziechten, an u Londoner Restaurants ze verkaufen.
There are a couple of very high-end London restaurants doing Thai, specifically Thai food, that appreciate the freshness of ingredients, the fact that I grow it in the UK.
That it's not flying like thousands of kilometers.
If they were going to bring it from Thailand, you know, it wouldn't be as fresh. It wouldn't have that nice zingy quality that it has. It's very important with some of these ingredients, that just picked flavour really has to shine through, fleeting aromas.
Yeah. And so you smuggle the stuff over? How does it work?
Well, sometimes I bring the seeds back, sometimes I bring cuttings back, sometimes I bring back a little root ball wrapped up in, you know, wet paper and things like that.
And then you plant it at home.
And then I plant it in my greenhouse.
I love it because when you arrive in the EU, you've got a sign saying, no, not allowed to bring in seeds, not allowed to bring in fresh stuff.
Well,
Luke's suitcase.
My suitcase is sometimes a bit like a jungle, but let's just say that there are ways of getting stuff back. Yeah.
Bei gut an die 30 Grad hëtzt, muss genug trinken. An Hai an Thailand Markt kriegt sein Drink an enger bissi mi spezieller Verpackung.
So we got some different Thai drinks here, okay?
I love how they come in a little bag.
They come in a little bag. So this one is made with roselle juice, the red one. And this one here is something called butterfly pea. Okay. It's a flower.
Okay.
And it makes a blue dye, a drink like this. And if you put lime juice in it, it turns it purple.
No way.
It's an amazing thing. And this one here, this is called chrysanthemum. This is in Thai called gek hui.
I think I want the blue one.
This is 20 baht for that.
Okay. Brilliant. Das sind 20 Franken. 20 Franken wird kostet. More? Oh, geht noch mehr dunkel.
Extra one.
Also ist ein Tietchen dabei mit den Getränken und da lebst du so rundherum. Man muss aufpassen, dass nichts rausfliegt, weil, also... Oh, that's super sweet.
Super sweet, right? Because you're going to have one of these, the porters, they put it on their motorcycle, right? On the handle.
No.
So they can go on.
Okay, dus voor elkaar iemand met een motorrad, zoals dat doet en ze doorheen kan.
Yeah.
But how does it spill?
It doesn't spill. Just fine. It's just like this.
Das schon ein bisschen challenging an dieser Hitze Reitfleisch Markt zu gesehen. Mir auch das als normal an Thailand. An sich auch kein Problem, weil das Fleisch am Endeffekt nie lang do leid, ehe es verkauft wird.
all these things have their merit for their textures. It's not all about flavor in Thai cuisine and Chinese cuisine.
And texture, which in European cuisine we don't really get so much.
We just like soft and crunchy, that's it. But you have like something like a cartilaginous pop, say for example, the chewiness, or the sort of the lovely kind of bounciness of an intestine. All these types of flavors. They're very interesting, for the mouth.
Mam Luke kënnt et selte fir, dats en etwas Normales ëst. Hier na so een, den alles probéiere wëll, wat méi komisch, wat besser. Mir laufen durch den Markt, an e Bemol offriert een eis en Interschnierwel.
This is the beak from a duck.
Seriously?
Yeah, so duck face. Oh, hop on my cup.
I think that's a bit extreme for me.
Alright.
Nee, also viel Schniebel von einer Inziessen, das sieht man.
It's like gelatinous and chewy. Oh, alright, Mark. Hop on my cup.
Neicht fir mech. Dat nächst us sech och net.
This is a dancing shrimp called in Thai Khlong Toei. You see them all dancing around like that.
Yes,
And the Thais will mix them into a salad with lime juice and chili sauce and things like that.
Okay.
You want to try?
Okay.
Yeah, they're alive, but they're good.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
So here, you can see him.
What's a big one?
Moving,
Get me small.
Okay, I eat this one big one.
Give me small one. Where's the small one?
Yeah? They're alive. Just eat.
Oh, it jumps in your mouth! Oh, it's very...
Alright, delicious, right?
Alright. Alright, Makmak.
They're quite sweet.
It's lovely.
Cup of my cup.
Cup.
Meet ginn och méi Normalsachen hei. Och wann se e bissi ernstnecht prepariert ginn wie du heem.
Oh, look. Yeah, she's making the pancakes.
Pancakes!
Yeah. It looks like she's, easy. This is an incredibly difficult thing to master.
You just take
She has
the
to hold the
dough
dough
and
like
chuck
this.
it on.
Well, it looks like that, but you want to try one?
I'm not sure.
So the idea is you get the pancake, and then you put a bit of the candy floss inside. Then roll it up like a cigar, and then eat it like that. So you get all the sweetness, and you get the savouriness of the roti all mixed together.
I love it.
Texturally, it's fantastic.
I love it. Also ich meine, der Titan, das wird nächstes Jahr auf der Schirbe für was zu holen. Panischer mit Papa dran. Mega.
Wadet net alles an Thailand siese gëtt. Wir holen de Skytrain erfuhren an Banlieue vu Bangkok fir haie Kolleg vum Luke ze treffen. De Chef A war dem Luke sei Prof an der renomméierter Cordon Bleu Kachchoul zu Bangkok. Ennner Team huet de Luke geléiert richteg Thai kachen. An Haut will hiemer beibringen, wéi en Obst no der traditioneller Thai-Method zouschneit.
So was Luke a good student?
Yeah, sometimes. No, just kidding.
When I was
he
there.
is good.
Yeah.
There were times we quarrel, right?
Mainly about fruit carving.
Yeah.
It wasn't my favourite thing.
Now you have to do
Now
it
I have
on
to do
TV.
Mi sichen eise Kürbis aus, weil de besonnech gut ze schneiden ass. An e pur Obstzochten. An die zwee amuséieren sech fir mir Sachen ze schmachen ze ginn.
And
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to be a food adventure?
Yeah, give me a small one.
Give me your hand, the other hand.
Is it really sour? If you
No,
make
no,
that,
no, no.
If he makes that face, I know it's going to be bad.
Come on, I have one
He
too.
wants you to try because he loves it.
It's really good.
Really?
Really sour.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's good.
Mat genug net saurem Obst fuhre ma heem bei de Chef A, woch ass engem Gart gewiese kreien, wéi en traditionelle Fruit Carving mischt, also Obst schneit à la Thai.
Hold like you hold the pants here,
Yeah.
and then stretch your little finger and the finger ring. So stretch this three finger out, in a bit.
Yeah, but I think my hand's too small.
No, there's no excuse.
Ech kom ma fir wie an der Schoul, wo e léiert eng Füllfirder ze halen, net so einfach. Me wann e bis am Gangers ass dat ganz guer net so desagréabel.
It's really therapeutic. It's very relaxing.
And when you do that so often, you feel like go to heaven.
Really?
Yeah,
Just
because
like-
your mind is calm.
Yeah, this is like yoga with fruit.
Yes. It's the way how we train Thai people how to be calm because the climate is so warm.
It's hot all the time.
Yeah, so we all need to be calm.
This really teaches you patience.
Yeah.
And you can eat it in the end.
Ech schneide weiter, me irgendwéi schenkt dat trotz Geduld net wirklich eng Rost ze gehen.
What flour you make?
Well, let's
Daikon.
call it
cauliflower.
artichoke.
Yeah.
Right? It's an artichoke.
Yeah, somehow like that.
Oh my
But-
God. You just didn't make this.
I did it.
Oh my God. Okay, schon 3 Minuten nicht geguckt, und nur hat jene so etwas schon ein Artichoke.
Also ich habe ja schon Kürbisse für Halloween geschnitten, aber das hier ist wirklich ein ganz neues Level. Ich hatte gemeint, lo wäre ich endlich fertig, da könnte der Chef mit weiteren Obst zuchten. Und ich fange an, meine Geduld zu verlieren.
When I was very little, when I was
Okay.
very young,
Okay.
in the kindergarten,
Okay.
we had to do something called picken. We normal mussten die ganzen Sachen auspicken, gell? And I always told my teacher, after 3 times, I was like, no, you cut it. Why there are scissors? Why don't you use the scissors? So I never ended up making all the picken pictures. So I think this is a bit like that. I might in a moment say to you, Chef A, can you finish?
Ich habe mich für meine Verhältnisse wirklich gut drüber, aber mit ein bisschen Übung klappt das bestimmt die nächste Kehr so gut wie beim Chef A. An Thailand ist Fruit Carving effektiv ein Teil von der Kultur general.
But it's something that every Thai child will have learned at some point in their life.
Exactly. So we have in what we call home economy subject for us to learn not only carving, cooking, craft
Right.
things. Yeah.
So cooking is still on the school curriculum
yes,
here in
still.
Thailand. Oh, that's amazing. I wish we had it in Luxembourg. I think everybody needs to learn the basics of cooking.
Cooking, right?
I think it's something that should be actually normal. Right, I think I have learned a lot today, and I want to really thank you for that.
Sure.
Khop khun
You're
kha.
welcome. Khop khun krap.
And I will try to do carving at home with potatoes.
Ich habe definitiv genug für Haut geschnitten und habe eins gelernt. Ich bleibe lieber beim Kochen an Essen und überlassen Schneiden einem anderen. Mir das Ganze hat hungrig gemacht. Der Luke hält mich mit auf einen von seinen Lieblingsplätzen, wo es Tom Yum gibt, ein populär thailändische Fischsuppe, die hier ganz anders schmeckt wie daheim.
Oh my God, there's such a big menu. Which one's your favorite? I
I
bet
think-
it's the lobster.
But this one is huge. So you're going to have to share this with a couple of people,
I
right?
think we have enough.
Yeah. I reckon we go for...
Lobster in love.
Let's do that. So we've got 2 different types of Tom Yum here. We've got the creamy one and the more traditional one. This is Tom Yum Nam Sai, which is with the clear broth.
Okay.
And they've got some lovely chili jam in here as well.
Oh, nice.
This is a much sort of cleaner taste. This is a more kind of the coconut milk, but they put in all sorts of other fun Bangkok ingredients like condensed milk, evaporated milk.
So it's slightly sweet.
It's slightly sweet, but it's also sort of thicker and more kind of substantial as a dish.
It looks amazing.
More oily, more sort of punchy
I prefer
Bangkok
that.
style.
But how do I eat this? I mean, I've got a whole prawn in there.
So in Thailand, right, like in the West, we go for the tails of the prawns. In Thailand, they go for the heads. That's where all the good stuff is, right?
Okay.
So you've got to get your prawn out
Okay.
and you take off the head from the body, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you've got your legs here.
Uh-huh.
This you can pull out like that,
Okay.
and then give this a good dunk. Here.
Oh, and you eat that?
And then just eat that. Yeah.
What do you mean eat that? Like the whole with the legs?
Just,
No, just the top.
Just the top
Suck
bit.
it off
Yeah,
or
yeah.
what?
Yeah, like that. That's it. That's the stuff. And then you've got all the goodness in the head here. So all that lovely creamy head fat.
Head fat.
That's the good
So
stuff.
what do I do? I suck that as well?
Suck that out as well. Yeah.
Okay. I suck
Take
the
that.
prawn's head. Okay, problem.
Yeah. So all of that concentrated soup and everything's gone inside
yeah.
there. And then you've got the
Yeah.
tail. It hardly seems as exciting now after you've had the head, right?
exactly.
And then if it isn't to your liking exactly, on every Thai table there's these 4 flavors. So you can be your own doctor, make your own dish, your own medicine.
So make it a bit more spicy.
Make it a bit more spicy,
Okay.
make it a little bit more sweet.
So kann ich sich amüsieren, als ich es richtig scharf machen. Oves verwandelt sich Bangkok an ein groß Kitchen, weil überall auf der Straße gekocht wird und es herrlich riecht.
Luke, are there any kind of tips that you can give people about how to go about finding a street food stall?
First thing is don't be scared. Look for the people. Okay, if it's a busy place, that means there's good food moving through the place and it's popular. If someone's going to get sick, they go out of business. This is their family place.
That is so true.
It's self-regulating in a way.
Yeah.
Street food. There has to be you know, of a certain standard. So people keep coming back for more.
And also
you know?
the language is something that I know sometimes people are a bit worried about, like not knowing what to order. And what I normally do is, what is Romanas? Is so einfach, I show that dot, and I point at stuff.
Absolutely.
That's
the way to do it.
You know?
And you know, you'll see me walking around the place, looking on everyone's tables like
Yeah,
that.
you do that, actually.
And saying, you know, that's good, that's good.
Mi essen den Novent en Jim Jum Hotpot, eng Zocht Zopp mat Lemongrass an andere Gewürzer, an der Fleisch an gekacht gin.
And then we're just going to pull it out into a little pot and make a little soup together with it, with a bit of meat, dunk the meat in there, chuck it up, couple of beers. This is the way street food works.
Absolutely, and I think beer is one of the things that has to be done with it. So
Plenty of beer. If there are any little kind of, you know, problems with you know, bacteria and things like that, a couple of beers, a few whiskies, sort it right out.
Scho liicht ugeheitert hëlt de Luke mech awer nach mat fir e klengen Dessert, en Ice Cream Sandwich.
It's an ice cream sandwich, but not like you've had before.
nee, genau.
There we go.
Konka.
You know she's going to give it to you, not to me, right?
No, it's mine. Also ich hatte schon viel Ice Cream Sandwiches am meinem Leben, aber noch nie ein richtigen Ice Cream Sandwich, also ein Schmier mit Kokosnussglas, Reis, Mais und Peanuts. Und das ist wirklich genial.
Au.
Also kënnt e lëchtegen Dach mat mengegem Foodfriend Luke oben an. An ech wees schon. Nächst geier wann ich zu Bangkok sinn, huet de Lugerem neu verrückte Food Adventures fir mech parat. Solang ke Fruit Carving dabei ass, ass et fir mech méi wie okay.